How to send personal message on Quora. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send personal messages on Quora. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, make sure that you have the Quora app and it's updated to its latest version. After that, make sure that you are also logged in into your account. Then you can simply open up your Quora. After you've opened it up, simply head over to any person's profile that you want to message. You can tap on their name, and after you tap on their name, you will be on their profile picture, their profile, where you will get different options. Now, from any option, you can tap on the ask option here, and after you tap on the ask option, you will be able to start your question. Now you can ask them whatever you want. You can even simply create a post for them. So here you can simply write in how are you and stuff like that and tap on add, and after you do that you can simply send a personal message on Quora. And yeah, it's that simple guys, and that's basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.